So Mother's Day is tomorrow, and if you haven't thought of anything to get your mum, here are some gift ideas, whether it's birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, you name it, some ideas that can help you decide what to get your mum. The first idea is one that I personally love and I think your mum would love as well. And that is photo frames and already inserted photos of you and your mum. I think that is such a sentimental gift. So yeah, I love picture frames as a gift. With that, I think albums are something that's quite underrated and people don't really do this anymore because of social media and digital pictures. You don't really take photos, print them out and put them in a book together. So tying in with picture frames, I think this is something that is also very special and customized, and you can do a whole bunch of photos of your mum, of you, of your siblings, your family all together. I think that would be something that your mum can always look through and enjoy in her own time, or just have as a coffee table book. Photo albums I think are so special, and putting the effort in choosing the photos, even if you just get an album and you start with the first photo, she can fill in the rest. I think that is something that is super special and something that your mum would really enjoy. Moving on to a classic but a goodie, and that's chocolates. I think this is a great gift for your mum because it's probably something she doesn't buy herself, especially if you know what type of sweets or chocolates that she enjoys. The next one is also one of my favorites, and it's something that I feel isn't done very often in terms of gifts, and that is teas and coffees and cappuccinos, flavored teas, all that sort of stuff. I think consumables are always a really nice gift because you're not leaving someone with something that they have to keep in their house. If your mum's house is quite cluttered or she's trying to get rid of some stuff, then this is a really nice go-to. Ties in with the chocolates, teas, coffees, cappuccinos. I think those types of gifts are very nice, and it's something maybe your mum wouldn't buy for herself. Also, South Africa is going into winter. It's currently autumn, so a nice hot chocolate could be very nice to give to your mum, and teas and all that stuff. I think that's always pretty nice gift to give someone, like a little care package to go into winter. Tying in with the teas is mugs. You can get your mom a nice custom mug. You can get a mug that says best mom, bringing die kantoor vibes, van Rassie van Bologna, but something with your mom. I think that could be something that you could really let your mom enjoy. Something like best mom is always a nice gift to get from your children. So mugs is always a good one, especially if you know what type of mugs your mom likes. I think that's always a very special gift. And you could tie it in with the teas and coffees and cappuccinos and hot chocolates as a little combined gift. I think that goes really well together. Another classic that I think moms would really love is flowers. Something very simple, but something that's a classic for a reason. Bunches of flowers. You can get her pot plants, you can get her orchids, you can get her favorite flowers. I think that shows a lot of care and sentiment, and I don't know a mom that doesn't enjoy getting flowers, especially if you already know her favorites, or even if you don't. I think sometimes variety is the spice of life, so flowers is always a really good gift to give a mom. And then this next one is one that has always been a go-to in my family, and that is Pamper goodies. So slippers, pajamas, skincare products, you name it. You can even take your mum to go for a massage. That's even a whole other gift idea that you could do with your mum, which I've actually also done before. My mum loved it, so that's something that I would recommend if you are thinking about a gift to give your mum. And then the last gift idea for your mum is something which is quite similar to the previous one, an activity that you love to do together. So if you enjoy baking together, you can get your mum ingredients to bake something. You can get her a nice ovenware or thing that bakes the item that you enjoy, like, I don't know, a trifle pot if she loves making trifles together with you, or savory stuff like a nice decent little pot that she can maybe put her cheeses in, or cheese knives. Is also quite a nice one if there's an activity that you love to do with your mum, like gardening or painting. Get her something in that line, and maybe that's something that you could do together. Those are some of the gift ideas that you can give your mum for Mother's Day, for birthdays, for Christmas, for just because. Of course, disclaimer, gifts aren't everything, and sometimes whatever comes from the heart matters the most. And I know for a fact my mum always appreciates a nice card, whether I make it myself or I go buy one and I write something nice inside. So that's always just something you can do as well, is get her a really nice card or a nice gift bag or something, and leave her a really nice message. Because at the end of the day, all you're doing is showing how much you love this person in your life. So that's why these things are here, just those little reminders to enjoy life and enjoy the people around you that make your life what it is and make your life a better place. So those are some ideas. Let me know which one your favorite is, or which one you're gifting your mom this Mother's Day, tomorrow, or for a birthday or Christmas or whatever. And I'll be sure to read those comments and maybe get some more ideas of things to gift your mom.